In the last few years, the Saudi bin Laden Group has successfully competed for and delivered landmark construction projects in Saudi Arabia. Arguably the most significant of these is the 7-tower King Abdulaziz Endowment project that overlooks the Holy Mosque in Mecca and which houses the 601-metre tower number 5. The tower houses the King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz clock, a masterpiece of horological engineering and the biggest timepiece in the world, with 4 faces, 2 over 42 metres in diameter, and 4 clock mechanisms, each of over 21 tons. Included in the tower is a luxury hotel of some 68 floors. In the shadow of this mighty engineering marvel lies the 5-level Jamarat Bridge, completed in 5 phases between successive Hajj seasons of 2006 through 2009. The bridge floors, over 550 metres each in length, are serviced by 7,800 metres of exit and entry ramps, 308 elevators, 2 tunnels of 1.8 kilometres and the other of 2.2 kilometres, and 2 helipads. Supporting the kingdom's expanding land transport infrastructure, the Saudi bin Laden Group completed the 775-kilometre Qasim-Medina-Yanbo-Rabigh Expressway, or Land Bridge. This huge contribution to the kingdom's increasing trade and industrial development included the design, financing and construction of a 776-kilometre 6-lane highway, 36 junctions and 18 bridges. To complete the task, some 45 million cubic metres of excavations, 96 million cubic metres of landfill was completed, and 2.3 million tonnes of bitumen substrate and wearing course laid. The land bridge followed an earlier reconstruction and realignment in 2005 of the existing road from Al-Hada to Al-Khor, turning a winding mountain road into a 44-kilometre dual carriageway. The mindset, skill, capability and capacity of the Saudi bin Laden Group to deliver infrastructure projects is second to none in the Middle East, and we relish the challenge of the Kuwait Causeway project. The Saudi bin Laden Group's field of operation has spread across the world and includes, for example, airports and major infrastructure projects in the Near and Far East as well as North Africa. Our joint venture partners, the China Railway Engineering Group Corporation, CREGC, has for more than half a century been responsible for the construction of a major part of the country's national infrastructure. Building on the experience of these huge projects, the company has expanded into wider areas of construction and made remarkable contributions to the development of modern China. In 2001, it became the first Chinese railway company to be listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Capitalizing on its experience in designing, managing, delivering large and complex infrastructure projects, CRGEC now has a presence in over 40 countries and more than 10,000 employees. It can boast in excess of $1.6 billion in assets, with an annual turnover of $1.8 billion and a capacity in excess of $3 billion. Adding further international credibility to its already impressive portfolio, CREGC holds ISO certificates including ISO 9001 Environment Management. The design of this iconic project is to be handled by our designer T.Y. Lin International, a civil and construction engineering firm established over 50 years ago and based in San Francisco. It specializes in the planning, design, engineering and inspection of major transportation infrastructure, especially bridges and marine projects. Among the major subcontractors, Huta Marine, with the biggest and most modern dredging and coastal land reclamation fleet in the Middle East, will provide comprehensive ground services. Internationally recognized for their expertise, Fugro, Bauer, Menard and Bachi Solentage will be responsible for soil improvement works for the entire project. With this strong and hugely skilled team of experienced subcontractors in support, the Saudi Bin Laden Group, in joint venture with the China Railway Engineering Group Corporation, has every confidence in the timely delivery of one of the world's greatest engineering projects to the government of Kuwait.